Welcome to our comprehensive guide on transforming your side hustle into $1 million business. If you're passionate about your project and ready to take it to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's explore the steps to achieve financial freedom and live your dream life. Step 1 is to validate your idea. Before investing time and resources, ensure there's a market demand. Conduct surveys, engage with potential customers, and test your product or service on a small scale. This feedback will provide invaluable insights into what works and what doesn't. Next, create a solid business plan. Outline your goals, target market, and financial projections. A clear plan will not only guide your decisions but also attract investors and partners. It's your roadmap to success. Step 3 is building your brand identity. Develop a strong brand that resonates with your audience. This includes designing a professional logo, crafting a compelling message, and establishing an online presence through a user-friendly website and active social media profiles. Now, let's talk about marketing strategies. Use a mix of digital marketing techniques such as SEO, content marketing, and social media advertising to reach your target audience. Consider creating valuable content that addresses your customers' pain points, establishing you as an expert in your field. Step 5 is to optimize your operations. As your side hustle grows, streamline your processes. Utilize tools and software for project management, customer relationship management, and accounting to save time and reduce overhead costs. Once your operations are running smoothly, focus on scaling your business. This might mean expanding your product line, entering new markets, or increasing your marketing efforts. Look for opportunities to grow without sacrificing quality. Building a strong network is crucial. Connect with other entrepreneurs, join industry associations, and attend networking events. These relationships can lead to collaborations, mentorships, and valuable insights that propel your business forward. Monitoring your finances is essential for long-term success. Keep track of your income and expenses meticulously. Utilize accounting software to simplify this process and ensure you have a clear picture of your financial health. Finally, stay adaptable and resilient. The business landscape is constantly changing. Be prepared to pivot your strategies and embrace new trends. Learn from setbacks and celebrate your successes to maintain motivation. Transforming your side hustle into $1 million business is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. By following these proven steps, you can achieve your dreams and create the life you've always wanted. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your side hustle experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success.